everybody. So I am here on a very hot Sunday because I'm finally getting the deck done. Finally. So we are anticipating some rain around 5 o'clock. This thing that I have here says that it'll be good after 4 hours. It can take on rain. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and get this knocked out. All right. So the deck is done. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. Is it perfect for Nick and I? Absolutely. So this is what we're working with right now. I got these from Home Depot. They're having a sale. It was $69, down from $99. So I was like, yes, please. So I got that. Yeah, we don't have chairs because we can't decide on what chairs to use right now. But I'm thinking just having 8 chairs separate, so that way Nick and I can have our own little thing when we want to. Umbrella is a necessity. Yes, there are leaves on the ground. Yes, hinting that fall is near, but I tell you what, it is scorching out here still. And right over in this corner, I'm thinking about getting a seating area, maybe just a 2-seat or 3-seater type thing, just for Nick and I, honestly, and maybe if we have guests coming over, and really just decorate this part. I hate the railings, but you know, it's what we have right now. Like I said, it's perfect for us, for what we need. And I'm thinking about getting some plants right here on the side, just to make it a little bit, you know, zhuzh it up a little bit, you know. But I absolutely love the deck. It came out wonderfully. But definitely want to just make this a little bit more welcoming, especially when we get into that cooler weather. Hopefully it comes sooner than later, but it's also the middle of August, so it's bound to be super hot. And then eventually we will get the house painted, but I'm really loving that. So, and then I like the blue umbrellas. Umbrellas, again, a necessity if you ever do anything outside, but we're also in Georgia. No one is outside in the summer unless you're in the water, okay? That's the rules here. All right, see y'all later.